Okay, so here I am again. I have put together a first idea to continue along the lines of these countries and concepts, which you should see on the screen here. So the idea is that after break, so the first week, you'll see here that there are a variety of steps to what we will do. The first step, I will actually send you a video of a lecture with a PowerPoint attached to it in the video on Monday morning. This lecture will serve to clarify key items in the reading on political parties, as well as incorporating new material, as I've been doing since the beginning of the semester. The video should be between 7 and 12 minutes. It's hard to say because I haven't started doing the actual videos. So that'll be the first step. You'll get this on a Monday. The next step will be for you to actually read the material on Moodle, on the concept, watch the video that I sent you, and then send me questions for clarification. My idea is then to take these questions and respond to them either on a Google document or a video, or maybe even both, that I will share with the class by Wednesday night. The idea behind this is to clarify as much as possible about the concept, in this case, the concept of political parties, so that you can do the rest of the activities based on this. The next step in this process would be I'm actually going to be dividing the class into 3 smaller groups. I will give you a list of these 3 groups, of what groups you're in, and then on Moodle, there will be 3 discussion forums corresponding to each group that I've assigned. And each of these discussion forums will have the same prompts from the readings and the lecture material for you to actually engage in conversation. The discussion on Moodle should begin on Thursday and go through Sunday night. And so that's the time frame that you have to actually participate. I will be providing you with greater guidance in terms of what I expect from you. I'll have a rubric in terms of that, but hopefully this will give you enough time to actually participate in the conversation in that small group setting. And this will replicate in some fashion what we've been doing in class. And then finally, the 4th step in this is the actual CNC part of it, which you will have until Friday of the following week. So in this case, April 10, to actually find an article, a news article from your country related to the concept, in this case, the concept of political parties, and then to add that entry to your Google document. And this is kind of going to be the model that will follow for the 4 weeks after we get back. So week 8, 9, 10, and 11. The concepts that we'll cover, as you see here, political parties, and then interest groups, same replicating of that. And then week 10 will be on political economy, and then I am adding another concept, in this case, a concept of social welfare, the idea being to kind of tie in what's happening around the globe with our class to see kind of comparatively what is actually going on. I would very much like your feedback on this. If you actually see this before our virtual office hours today, feel free to chime in terms of what you think or questions that you might have. I don't know all the answers right now, but if you give me questions on things that I haven't thought of, then that will help me figure out how exactly to move forward. And I'll be providing you with additional information over the course of the next day or 2. I'm hoping to have this finalized, but with some flexibility for, things aren't going as planned. We need to adjust, and I'm happy to do that to accommodate, perhaps, people not being able to get online when when they want to. I'm hoping this provides you with enough flexibility to actually do this. So I'm going to send this to you and hopefully hear back from some of you.